Hello, today I'm in Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can use cruise control. Firstly, accelerate to desired speed and now press this button to enable cruise control. To activate cruise control, press set button. Now you can take your foot off of the acceleration pedal. Now, if you want to increase the speed, press plus button. To decrease it, press minus button. To pause it, press cancel. To start it with current speed, press set. And to resume it to your first declared speed, press resume. To disable cruise control, press this button again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.